Unprecedented cyber attacks are crippling Russian government websites. The Russian ministry says it's facing an unprecedented assault by foreign hackers. Well, I believe that. I mean, Anonymous, or at least whatever Anonymous is at this point, has claimed that they're busy attacking.
Yeah, we hear a lot about the physical war, but we don't hear much about the IT war, the digital war.
Talking about cyber?
Cyber war. There you go.
The war of the future.
Cyber attacks. Ever since launching a horrific assault on Ukraine, things haven't been going particularly well for Russia. The country and its invading horde have been condemned, blacklisted, thwacked by crippling sanctions, droned, blocked, among other things.
Yeah.
But here we go as far as the cyber attacks concerned. In addition to denial of service attacks that have knocked websites offline, many hackers are trolling the Russian government quite hard. In one case, someone defaced the Russian Emergency Situations Ministry, inscribing, "Don't believe Russian media, they lie," on its homepage, while inserting a link to what the hacker dubbed full information about the war in Ukraine. The Washington Post reports. At the same time, dozens of Russian judicial websites have reportedly been defaced with messages insulting Russian President Vladimir Putin. And then we talked about when they did the electric chargers. It says something negative about Putin on there. Can't even remember what it was.
He's
I actually don't remember what it was.
Putin is a dickhead?
Well done, Willie.
It doesn't seem that bad to me. Like if you're just gonna write like profanities about somebody, like that's your hack. Like,
well, I think the important part to note there is that doesn't happen that often.
right,
People saying things like that, dissent.
especially to Putin.
Exactly. So I think the idea of it from a hacking standpoint is that you would showcase at least the initial thought that, hey, maybe this guy is not. Maybe you shouldn't like this guy.
Right.
Just to get the ball rolling on that. But you're right. I mean, if you can provide a link to what's actually going on in Ukraine or something that's not being seen on media or whatever, that's going to be more effective. But some of these things that they're hacking have their limitations as to what you can even display, like the screen and a gas pump or
Right.
electric charger or something like that. The Wall Street Journal recently claimed that the number of people involved in these cyber attacks could reach 400,000 or more. My God.
Yeah.
That's a lot of, that's probably an international, well, they call it an IT army. That's an international endeavor at that point. And increasingly, I think we're going to continue to see this. Absolutely. More cyber.